Hi, this is P R Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I'm going to talk about the future of our stock market, in particular IT stocks. And if you look at the Nifty, for the last 2 years, Nifty has given zero return. 2021 October, Nifty was around 18,600. After nearly 2 years, we are somewhere there only. So for the last 2 years, Nifty has done a huge underperformance. Even this year also, from January till now, I think Nifty is hardly up about 3%. And 3% you get even in bank FD also for 6 months. I think annually you get 6% interest very easily. There are some banks even give 7.5. I think there's one bank also gives 8% FD interest. So this is not a big deal. So I would say for the last 2 years, we have been hugely underperforming. For next 2 years, there is a possibility we can do huge outperformance. So there is a possibility. And why I'm telling you, in the past, any 3-year to 5-year rolling period, if you see, and the Nifty has always given a slightly better than the FD return. Let us say you take from 2005 to 2010, you would have got. But of course, in between Lehman Brothers collapse, market might have fallen. Or maybe you look at 2006 to 11 or 2007 to 12. But since last 2 years, the Nifty has given almost zero return. There is a possibility of a huge return in the next 2 to 3 years. So that is a long-term view. That's one thing. And second thing, particularly in IT, if you see, in the last leg of the rally, the IT stocks has hugely underperformed. Say for example, right now, we are very close to all-time high. We are just only 1% away from all-time high. But if you look at Reliance, which is 10% away from all-time high, entire HDFC group is not doing well. But particularly if you look at the IT stocks, large cap especially, TCS 20% from all-time high, Infosys 20% from all-time high. So there was a huge underperformance in IT stocks. So there is a possibility when the market goes higher in the next leg of the rally, maybe in the next 2 to 3 year time frame, IT stocks can outperform. So why? If you look at the historical background of IT stocks, as I told you, they also have given a rolling return, 3 to 5 year time frame, always 20 to 30% return, very good return. But this time, there's something special about IT stocks. I think in the year 2000, there was a problem called Y2K problem. That has given a very good opportunity for Indian IT engineers. And in fact, Indian IT engineers' talent was recognized by the world is because of that Y2K. And in fact, that not only changed the life of the IT engineers, it changed the life of IT companies, changed the life of the investors, and changed the life of the entire country. Now you just cannot imagine India without IT. It's a IT that is contributing a lot to the GDP. The same way, now if you look at the world markets in the last few months or 1 year, last 1 year, which index has hugely outperformed? That is a Nasdaq 100. I still remember last year September, Nasdaq 100 was trading around 10,500. Now it is trading above 15,000. So that's almost 50% return in 1 year. Just imagine 50% return 1 year, and we are sitting with 0% return in 2 years. And now recently, you look at this stock called Nvidia, the price has shot up nearly 2 times. The last 3 months price has doubled. So why? Now the buzzword now is artificial intelligence. And people think that there is going to be a great future for artificial intelligence. And people are just closing their eyes and buying. Of course, it can create a temporary bubble. But my point here is that this artificial intelligence will give huge advantage. At the end of the day, it is a software, and the people who develop the software. So India is good in software but not in hardware, but NVIDIA creating hardware for artificial intelligence. This will throw a huge opportunity to Indian software developers. So major beneficiary will be Indian top IT companies. So I'm not talking about 1 week or 10 days view, I'm talking about 2 to 3 year time perspective. So therefore, in the next 2 to 3 years, number one, our market can do very well, and on top of which IT stocks even can outperform for the next 2 to 3 years. So if you are an investor and you want to invest for a long term, you can consider investing in IT stocks. And please remember, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So this is just my personal view, and please take your financial advisor's advice before making any investment in stock market. So overall, I am bullish for next 2 to 3 years for IT stocks. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.